How to make the Sense robot move between two black lines with the Robotly Sense software. Download and print the two black lines pattern from neulog.com/sense. Connect the Sense robot to the computer through the USB cable. Open the software and choose the direct mode. Check the value of the bottom sensor while located on the black line and when located on the white background. Change the mode to block mode. Click on the Program button, choose the Program Start block and drag it to the white screen. Every code needs a Program Start block at the beginning. Click on the Memory button, choose the Memory 1 = 0 block and drag it to the white screen underneath the first block. Fill in a number that is higher than what the bottom sensor measures when located on a black line and lower than what it measures when located on the white background. This is how the robot will know when it reaches a black line. Click on the Sense button, choose the Sense Drive block and drag it to the proper location. Change the speed to mid. This is telling the robot to move forward in middle speed. Click on the General button, choose the Delay block, and drag it to the proper location. Change the value to 0.5 seconds. This block tells the robot to move forward for 0.5 seconds until the next command. We do this so that when the robot is on one line, it crosses the line before it searches for the next line. Click on the Sense button, choose the Wait Until block, and drag it to the proper location. Change the sign so that the robot will wait until the bottom sensor value will be less than Memory 1, which is when the robot reaches the black line. It will move forward until this point. Click on the Sense button, choose the Sense Stop block, and drag it to the proper location. This is telling the robot to stop when it reaches the black line. Using the right button of your mouse, duplicate the Sense Drive block and drag it to the proper position. Change forward to backwards. We tell the robot to move backwards in middle speed. Duplicate the Delay block and drag it to the proper position. This block tells the robot to move backwards for 0.5 seconds until the next command. We do this so that when the robot is on one line, it crosses a line before it searches for the next line. Duplicate the Wait Until block and drag it to the proper location. The robot will move backwards until it reaches the black line. Bottom sensor value is less than Memory 1. Duplicate the Sense Stop block and drag it to the proper location. This is telling the robot to stop when it reaches the black line. Click on the Program button, choose the Program Restart, and drag it to the proper location. This is telling the robot to start the program over again. Click on the Program Download button on the main menu. This will transfer the program into the robot's flash memory and will replace a previously saved program. Disconnect the USB cable from the robot and place it in the right position so it can move forwards towards one of the black lines. Make sure there is a battery connected to the robot. Click on the red Start/Stop button on the robot. Observe how the Sense moves forward towards one of the black lines and then moves backwards towards the other black line, and then continues to move.